911, what's the location of your emergency?
Oh, hello. I'm on 160th Place in Columbine Street.
160 Place in Columbine?
Yes, Columbine Street. Yeah.
Tell me exactly what happened.
So, went to walk the dogs this morning. There's a fire alarm going off at, which is just over the road from me. As I was walking past, I heard what sounded like a gunshot, and there's smoke coming out of it. The guy inside shouting, and I can't really hear what he's talking about, but he sounds pretty. I don't really want to go in.
Columbine Street?
I did hear a gun. It's 160th Place in Columbine Street, yeah.
Okay, and you're sure it was a gunshot?
I'm not sure, no, but it sounded like a loud pop. I've got my neighbour here, and he said,
I heard 3 pops.
3 pops.
Yeah.
Well, he heard 3 pops. Okay, so there's yeah, and it definitely sounded like a gun.
Okay, and you said there's an alarm going off inside the house too?
There's an alarm and there's smoke coming out as well. Yeah.
Where's the smoke coming from?
Out of the back door, which I don't know the layout of the house, but
okay.
Yeah, he's still shouting.
Thornton 911, what's the location of your emergency?
I just heard another gunshot. We've already called in on this, and I actually see just 2 cops coming down the road. My neighbor right across the street, there's some smoke coming out the back, and we heard one more. I just heard one more shot.
I can see him now.
Put your hands up. You are under arrest. You are under arrest. This is Thornton Police Department. Put your hands up. Do it now. Put your hands up. Put your hands in the air. You are under arrest. Do it now. Mark, you see anything in his hands?
No, I'm blocked by the railing.
Put your hands up. Do it now. Put your hands up. You're under arrest.
Police department. What is your name? What is your name?
Oh, I'm going to back porch.
Do not go back inside.